I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know I can lie.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Jayla Joy here. You guys stop. I knew you guys were doing something. Let me do my intro.
Wasn't doing that. That was just me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jayla Joy here. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this vlog, we're gonna be camping, y'all. I go camping with my family every year, and it's just like a family thing. I bring my boyfriend, my brother brings his girlfriend, and we just be kicking it. We are camping here in Eastern Washington, and y'all, when I tell you it's hot over here, it's hot. Like, it's about 100 degrees right now. It's starting to cool off. We just got set up, so I'm gonna show you guys around, show you the campsite we're at, and yeah, let's go. There's summer, like, this is basically a trailer based campsite, as you can see. So here is the office, which is what we're going into, and then here is like another angle of the campsite. The bathroom is right here, and when I tell you, the bathroom's nasty. And we have mini golf right here, which we'll probably do that one day. So now we're at the store. So we're in the store about to get some alcohol, because you know your girl's gonna drink tonight. Have y'all ever tried this? Let me know in the comments.
That's good.
Because this looks good. So
That might have been the one that broke.
we got our trailer right here. Then we just got two chairs right here. I'll probably face them the other way because our fire pit's right here. We're gonna make s'mores tonight. So we have our tent here. And let me show you guys the inside. So inside we got me and my boyfriend's mattress, and then my brother and his girlfriend's mattress. So we all four of us are gonna be sleeping in here. We've done it last time before, so we all know we wanna fit in this tent. And it's pretty fun because we be playing games in here, drinking, doing all that fun stuff. And I like how there's grass, because most of the time we have dirt, because we try a different campsite every year, but this year there's grass at this campsite, and I'm really appreciative because most of the time we'll have dirt, and then the dirt will get in the camper, and that's just too much and too dirty. Okay, so I want to show you guys all the stuff we're working with. So we got buns, bread, breakfast, s'mores in here, pre-sun, drinks, snacks. We got way more snacks than this, but this is just the half of it. Some snacks in there. It's nasty.
Sasha came out there. She said, she just told me about the.
Then in here we got like some eggs, yogurt, more soda and stuff. And then we got some more food in here as well. So we got food for that. We got my boo here. So this is a view of the water at night. I'll probably give you a better view in the morning when you can actually see more.
You didn't bring more chairs?
Alright, y'all, so it's later in the night, and we just started a fire, cause y'all, we finna make some s'mores. I'm so excited. S'mores are my favorite. But we're gonna end up probably taking a walk later and then getting a tent and playing some games, and that's probably how we're gonna end our night, because y'all, we tired. So I will just check back in with you guys tomorrow. So it is later in the day and we're making some burgers and hot dogs. I just showered not too long ago because we were in the water, as you can see in the last clip. And my dad also caught some fish. Let me show you guys. Y'all see them? Crazy, right? Ugh, they're gonna be so good. Now we're making some burgers. Ooh, it's hot. Get some burgers. I'm still gonna make some hot dogs too. And then also we had got some more alcohol, so we got some Bud Light and then some berry punch, which I'm excited to try. So now we're about to play this game I bought some time ago. It's called Do You Know Me? Okay, so update on this Jack Daniel's berry punch. It's good, but not as good as the watermelon one. But it's good. It just tastes like
right here for now.
It just tastes like Minute Maid berry, but with pop. So it is later in the day, and we're about to take some shots.
We about to get a Bud Light.
And then there's my chaser for tonight.
Whoa.
We was lit at Disney.
Huh?
At Disney?
Yes, we got Patron, double shots.
They give out
Jello. Now that's more than a double.
Here, pour me some. No, I'm saying pour me some out of here. There we
That's
go.
a shot.
That is not a shot.
Yes, and then give me my shot.
Look at this. This is not
That's
one
good.
shot.
There we go. Jayla knows she can't bartend.
Okay, you ready? Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. That's that double shots. Ooh, okay, let's go.
Big dog.
Ooh, it's strong.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No chaser.
No.
Yep. Pour it up. Let me see how much.
Ready?
Yep. Oof.
Ooh, I still got some more.
Okay.
Oh,
Throw the
thank
rest
you.
back.
Y'all ready to do electric slide?
So we are 4 shots, 3 shots in.
Girl, like
4, 5.
5.
Because the first one was a double.
Okay.
5 shots.
Well, anyway, we about to play spades. So
And she lit.
a little bit lit, just
All
a
right,
little bit.
check each one to make sure they have
13.
About to play spades.
ace,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3,
I got 13.
5,
This is my partner over here.
6,
Let me show y'all my partner.
13,
3, 4, 5, 6.
My partner right here.
18.
Okay, these
And
got
then
13.
my enemy is right
Alright, so now-
here.
That's your odds.
Ain't no jokers.
And right
Where's the
here.
jokers?
You don't want jokers, right?
Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys once I win this game.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, GT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Insta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional.
Good morning, y'all. So today is Sunday and it is currently raining, but it's like, how many degrees is it right now? Like 70. But it's 73 degrees and super muggy. So yeah, anyway, we're walking to the bathroom so we can brush our teeth, wash our face, and then we're going to eat breakfast. Okay, so we arrived at the bathroom, and so this is the dirty bathroom, which is nasty. You got the stalls here, and then the showers right here. The showers don't get too hot, but it gets the job done, I guess. This is how they look. Dark outside and raining. So we just send her this canopy while we cook breakfast. For breakfast, we're gonna have sausage, hash browns,
if y'all eating breakfast, come on.
and eggs. So I just rented a Coke cart for the day, which this is gonna be our little whip for the rest of the day. So we're gonna be busting missions in here. Pretty fun. Here's the key. What you do is you gotta got the foot on the brake. So here is like the extension cord I gotta charge it with, and then to start it you gotta put the foot on the brake. Okay, so now we are currently in the car about to find a place to go shoot because we brought some of that stuff out here. So it's gonna be my dad, me, my boyfriend, my brother, and his girlfriend.
Yo, drop your glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blind, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop fast. Listen to me, baby.
So we finally are at our destination, and we're gonna shoot over here. And we found like this secret area to shoot at. I got my earbuds in. So let's go.
I jumped first.
Casting, cut bitch camera off, real shit blasting.
I had to give you more. It's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me here, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that good shit in your head. Now let me blow your
Y'all, look at all the bullets we shot.
Now while you gritting your teeth, frustration, baby, you got to breathe. Take a lot more than you to get rid of me. You see, I do what they can't do, I just do me. Ain't no stress when it comes to stage, get what you see. Meet me in the lab, in the pad, don't believe. 16's mine, create my own lines. Love for my wordplay, that's hard to find. Sophomore, I ain't scared, one of a kind. All I do is contemplate ways to make your fans mine. Eyes bloodshot, stress and chills up your spine. Sick to your stomach, wishing I wrote your rhyme.
I had to give you more. It's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while.
So it's a little bit later, and now I have me a Mike's, which is in the cranberry flavor. Okay, so I'm currently in the trailer, and we are playing the game called If You Had To. We played this, well, I played this game for my boyfriend, and it was pretty fun and funny. And then also we drinking on some Syrah that we got earlier at Safeway. We're chasing it with some, and then we're chasing it with some Welch's Did you give me just like some real good juice?
Did you give me one?
And I'm about on my third shot, so I will check back in with you guys once we're done playing. Okay, so now we're about to play Uno, which is one of my favorite card games. And we're gonna take another shot. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby,